Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel and I am Atanu Betal, and in this new video right now we discuss about the rule, the like dissolve like rule. What is like dissolve like rule? In case of the soluble or insoluble compound, if we want to check the compound is soluble in other compound or not, if we want to check that the compound is soluble in another compound or not, for the all questions, this type of questions are solved by the like dissolve like rule. Here it is important to know that polar compounds are soluble in polar solvent. This is important point, that polar compounds are soluble in polar solvents only, and non-polar compounds, if we take it as non-polar compounds are soluble in non-polar solvents only. This is the rule, like dissolve like rule, that polar compounds are soluble in polar compounds only and non-polar compounds are soluble in non-polar solvent or compounds only. As for example, if we take ammonia and water, it is polar, it is also polar, so soluble. Ammonia is soluble in water because both are polar. If we take HCl is here in H2O, then it is polar and water polar, so HCl is soluble in water. If we talk about sugar plus water, it is soluble because sugar is a polar substance. Polar and polar are soluble. For non-polar, suppose we take naphthalene plus water, it is not soluble because it is non-polar, it is polar, therefore it is not soluble in water. Naphthalene is not soluble in water. But if we take in benzene, which is non-polar, then it is soluble. Benzene and naphthalene, these are soluble. Means naphthalene is soluble in benzene, forming a solution by naphthalene and benzene because both are non-polar. If we take CCl4 plus benzene, this one is non-polar, this one is non-polar. So soluble, carbon tetrachloride and benzene are soluble. Means these two are forming solution. Carbon tetrachloride is soluble in benzene because both are non-polar. So this is about the rule, like dissolve like rule, where it is discussed that the polar substance is soluble in polar substance and the non-polar substance is soluble in non-polar substance, means non-polar solvent. So this is the discussions. I wanted to present this topic, that what is the rule actually meaning for. Thank you for watching this video.